How to sync Google Notes with Apple Notes in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and then click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and here you can see the option notes. Now click on notes and then click on notes accounts, and here you can see the option add account. Now click on add account and then click on Google. Now here enter your email or phone number and then click on next and then enter your password. After doing these steps, it will sync Google Notes with Apple Notes in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.